How to unblock someone on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to unblock someone on Facebook. Let's just get started. First thing first, you want to go over to Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here, you can tap on the three dots at the top right and go to settings. From settings and privacy, scroll down until you find audience and visibility, and at the very bottom you can find blocking. Tap on it, and you'll see all of the profiles that you have blocked. And if you want to unblock someone, tap on unblock again, and you're good to go. Now you've successfully unblocked this person. So if you unblock them, they may be able to see your timeline or contact you, and tags that you and they have previously shared will be again restored. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.